For years, the Toyota Tundra has earned a reputation for durability, reliability, and long-term dependence. It's the kind of truck owners expect to drive for hundreds of thousands of miles without major issues. That's exactly why one particular problem, the so-called death rattle, has become such a concern among Tundra owners. If you've ever started your truck on a cold morning and heard a harsh metallic rattle for a few seconds, you know how alarming it can be? Many drivers immediately fear the worst: catastrophic engine failure, timing chain damage, or a costly repair bill waiting around the corner. Dealerships often reinforce that fear, quoting repairs anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000. But here's the reality: many experienced owners eventually discover, in most cases, the death rattle isn't fatal, and it can often be fixed for under $50. The death rattle typically occurs during cold startup. It sounds like a loud metallic rattle that lasts 1 to 3 seconds, then disappears once oil pressure builds. From a mechanical standpoint, the noise is usually linked to one of two systems: the variable valve timing VVT cam gear system, the timing chain tension. Both rely heavily on proper oil pressure to function. When oil hasn't fully circulated, especially after sitting overnight, these components can briefly lose tension, causing that sharp rattling sound. One of the biggest misconceptions is that this noise signals immediate engine failure. In reality, most cases are far less serious. Mechanics often describe it like this: nothing is actually broken, something just isn't getting oil pressure fast enough. That's an important distinction. Instead of parts failing, the issue is usually caused by oil sludge or buildup, slight sticking inside hydraulic components, delayed oil pressure delivery oil that's too thin to maintain pressure. In short, the system is struggling, not failing. One of the biggest misconceptions is that this noise signals immediate engine failure. In reality, most cases are far less serious. Mechanics often describe it like this: nothing is actually broken, something just isn't getting oil pressure fast enough. That's an important distinction. Instead of parts failing, the issue is usually caused by oil sludge or buildup, slight sticking inside hydraulic components, delayed oil pressure delivery oil that's too thin to maintain pressure. In short, the system is struggling, not failing. Across forums and mechanic reports, a clear pattern emerges. Most death rattle cases are oil-related, not mechanical failure. Common contributing factors include dirty or degraded oil sludge buildup in tensioners or VVT components, restricted oil passages, oil draining too quickly when the engine is off at startup. These components rely on oil pressure to lock into place. If pressure is delayed even briefly, they loosen and create that rattle. Instead of replacing expensive parts, many owners fix the issue by restoring proper oil, flow, and pressure. The goal is simple: clean the system and improve lubrication. Fix number 1: oil change plus additive. This is the most common and easiest solution. Step strain the old oil, completely refill with high-quality oil, often slightly thicker, add a cleaning or restorative additive. Why it works: removes sludge buildup, frees sticky internal components, improves oil pressure retention. Some mechanics recommend switching from OW to O to 5W30, especially for higher mileage engines. Thicker oil can help maintain pressure and reduce startup noise. Fix number 2: clean the timing chain tensioner. If you're comfortable doing light mechanical work, this can be very effective. What happens? The tensioner uses oil pressure to maintain chain tension. Internal parts can stick due to buildup. This causes temporary slack in noise solution. Remove the tensioner, clean it with solvent. Ensure smooth internal movement. In many cases, the part is in faulty jas, dirty. Fix number 3: check the heat shield. Not every rattle is engine. Some owners discover the noise comes from a loose exhaust heat shield. Symptoms: rattle during startup or acceleration, noise over bumps. Fix: secure it with stainless steel hose. Clamps cost usually under $10. Fix number 4: interior rattles. Newer models on newer Tundras 2022, some rattles come from inside the cabin. Common sources: glove box hinge, dashboard trim fixes, foam tape or felt padding, tightening clips or adding spacers. These are minor and easy to address. If the solutions are so simple, why don't manufacturers suggest them? A few reasons: liability concerns, part replacement is more predictable, standardized repair procedures, profitly by heavy repairs generate more revenue. While most cases are harmless, some require attention. Warning signs: rattle lasts longer than 3 to 5 seconds, noise continues while driving. Check engine light appears, loss of power or rough running. These could indicate worn timing chain, damaged VVT gear, oil pump issues. If you notice these, don't ignore them. Prevention is simple and inexpensive. Change oil regularly, use high-quality oil and filters. Avoid extended oil intervals, let the engine warm up briefly before hard driving. Consider occasional engine cleaning treatments. Clean oil keeps these hydraulic systems working properly. So, is the $50 fix legit? Yes, with one condition. It works best when the rattle only happens briefly during cold startup and there are no other symptoms. If the issue has been ignored for too long or actual damage has occurred, more serious repairs may be necessary. The Toyota Tundra death rattle sounds scary, but it's often caused by something surprisingly simple: oil pressure and internal cleanliness. Before committing to a multi-thousand-dollar repair, many owners have successfully solved the issue with better oil, a cleaning approach, and minor maintenance. Because sometimes a scary noise doesn't mean your engine is failing. Sometimes it just means it needs a little attention.